Which leads me to my first question. Do you mind if we just start with the questions?
Let's dive in, Papa. I'm here.
Okay, here's my first question, and this is a question I also got off the internet, so I thought it was a good one. How many women have you got pregnant?
Things like art and music.
I fought it. Nobody ever wants to own up. I owned up.
You are a juggernaut. You are...
Knuckle or something, and then they grind it up real good. You know, some.
Is a consolidation of a number of different subjects, where I discuss the physics of music, where I discuss the linguistics of music, where I discuss the theoretical aspect of music. And then not only do I write on these subjects, but I illustrate and demonstrate the things I speak about. So if I'm going to discuss how to compose, then I need to have an original composition. If I'm going to discuss how to arrange music, then I need to illustrate from a practical standpoint. Well, here's a song. Here's a #1 pop song. I'm going to
look. People do what they do. I'm still wearing the same underwear from 3 weeks ago. So many years.
Well, so many years ago. What did you do?
Many years.
What do you do?
I drink tap water, and I don't use it.
I went to college in Montana, and then on football school.
Wonderful.
You don't have to look at the.
Okay.
I'm like going out of my mind right now. I'm like freaking out, you know, because
Why?
it's like because it's so cool.
But yeah, natural right now, and the skin.
Enlightening. You ever straighten your back up and after?
So I hope that it's okay to see me. And again.
But yeah, natural right now, and the skin.
Says, I'm going to clean the whole kitchen. Well, they just can't do anything else. For a day of being on your phone, and you can just feel like a.
You did make the transition from Hollywood Squares to Match Game, and let me ask you that. Was it easier having been on Hollywood?
Wow. It's pretty cool, huh?
It's pretty. It's
disorder. Let's talk about solipsism.
Says, I'm going to clean the whole kitchen. Well, they just can't do anything else.
So you have because you did make the transition from Hollywood Squares to Match Game, and let me ask you that: was it easier having been on Hollywood Squares?
Yeah,
It's a fundamental difference between eating a delicious tart.
Do you know about astrology?
I know a little astrology.
It's enlightening. You ever straighten your back up and after a day of being.
What does that have to do with parapsychological phenomena? What does that have to do with power?
First, I don't know what the you're talking about.
Delicious tart caramel goodie wrapped in a plastic little hangout.
Well, I moved up to LA. I went to college in Montana. and then on football.
I mean, I work in cross-disciplinary, multidisciplinary, transdisciplinary, and interdisciplinary.
What did you think of that laugh I just did?
I love that laugh.
It's pretty laugh I just did.
I love that laugh.
It's pretty cool, huh?
It's pretty
in his absence. So I hope that it's okay to see me. And
out there, I just kind of lap it up like I'm just kind of.
a choreographed march across your forehead, and
Okay.
It's like, because it's so cool, you know?
It was right around when things were a little gray, if you will.
Oh, I do? Oh, excuse me. I didn't know I had to.
No, I've seen that. I can gather that myself.
He just had, this divine right to eat what he could, and that is to find animals and to be.
can you tell I've never done a Zoom before?
I remember someone wrote that when I did Hollywood Squares, because it was right around.
Oh, that's right.
That's right.
Oh God, yes. What did you do?
Don't tell me. I don't know.
There's because of Bruce Lee, who I'm sure you like.
I'm the one interviewing you.
I'm down.
Well, it doesn't necessarily work like that.
No,
but I'm interviewing you.
No.
I'm supposed to close the interview because I'm interviewing.
Guys, welcome to the Jeff Richards Show. My name is Jason Tebow. My friends call me the Teeb, and that includes you.
Let's talk about solipsism.
You know, and it's like the whole thing is like, it's like, do you know about astrology?
Is it when, primitive caveman, he didn't have Whole Foods. He didn't have.
What did you think of that laugh I just did?
I love that laugh.
It's pretty cool, huh?
It's pretty on the nose.
It's my show, but I'm never there.
Was? What do you mean was?
Well, he's not anymore, but in the beginning, he was terrific. And
So you have
empirical,
we have inferential, we have subjective, we have objective, and we have anecdotal. And
and it's dualistic. So you have to have form and formless.
1800s, just nice going, way to go, and welcome.
Just kind of.
I became infatuated with art.
Atelston, Fitzgerald, Holder the First.
Yes, sir.